Elny, today we've got the 2022 Jeep Gladiator.
High altitude 4x4.
And we're going to review it for you today on Car Fluent. So today, Elny, I'm super excited. We get to review this exterior of the Jeep Gladiator.
I can't wait to show you guys. Let's do this.
All right, I'm going to grab the camera. You start talking.
All right.
Elny, they introduced the Jeep Gladiator at the 2018 LA Auto Show.
Yes, they did, and the sales went through the roof.
They did. In 2019, they introduced it to the public. The sales for 2019 were about 40,000, so that's not bad for a first year. And then the following year, they actually jumped up to 70,000. And then in 2021, sales actually hit almost 90,000 of the Jeep Gladiator.
So they doubled their sales.
Yeah, in 3 years, they doubled their sales. Jeep, this is Jeep's first Gladiator, our truck version of the Gladiator. So, I mean, it's beautiful. Go ahead and tell us about the front.
It's very nice. As you can see, we have these nice LED lights, these nice fog lights. The grill, Keith, what do you think about the grill?
Yeah, this is the classic grill. They stuck with the classic grill of all the Jeep, the honeycomb pattern. 7 panels there. The front, I mean, when you see that in your rearview mirror, you know it's a Jeep. It's beautiful coming down the road.
Yeah, I like the front so much, but you know what? Let's show them some of the size of this Jeep.
Yeah, let me grab the camera. We'll come around to the side. You got the LED fog lamps down here. I mean, this is a cool looking bumper with the, you know, just the Jeep, classic Jeep pattern with the wide fenders there.
And the color.
The hitches here for the hood. I mean, they just latch right there. It's pretty cool. Let's grab the camera and check it out.
These aluminum and glass black 20-inch wheels are awesome.
Yeah, they look pretty cool. They actually, the standard size of the wheels that comes with the Gladiator is 18-inch. This is upgraded to the 20-inch.
Yeah, so this Jeep has a couple different options, which the base price in this is, Keith?
This one here is $44,000, the base standard price of this one.
Yeah, but this one jumps up to a whopping $60,000.
Yep. They've upgraded about 7,000 or more in packages on this, which we'll go over. So look at this. They've got the Jeep Gladiator logo right here on the side. They got the trail-rated emblem 4x4 on the side.
You have nice running boards in this one, which most don't have it, but this one does.
Now I'm going to show you here. This is actually the Rubicon next door here, but it doesn't have the running board, so you can see the difference. It's much cooler with the running board.
So this one has a ton more options, and we're gonna go through them and just show you one by one.
Now let's real quick, while we're here next to the Rubicon, look how the fenders on this are matching, right? You've got the same color, gloss black.
Yep.
And then on the Rubicon here, they've got the matte black fenders against the different color. You know, this one happens to be blue on that. So which one do you like, Elny?
I like this one because it has the same matching tone color, so I prefer this.
See, I actually like the two-tone.
Oh, really?
Yep.
So I like the matching tone fenders, and it just looks so much better. But I will show you some little neat stuff that they added, like this protection films for scratches on the side. And if you come this way, you will also see them right here. And there's a few more things.
Yeah, that film actually is really nice because let's say you're getting in and out and you have muddy boots and you're getting in and out of there, or you know, you're going through the dirt trails and then the rocks fly up.
Yeah,
so
and say you just like hit your foot on the side, you know, and you just do a little scratch there. It won't do any scratches with that.
Now, is that running board, is that metal or plastic?
No, this is plastic.
Okay.
You know, I wish it would have been metal, but I think plastic would be better just for, you know,
I think plastic's better.
You don't get the rust or any of that.
Yeah. Look at the mirrors.
The mirrors are pretty nice. You know, I like how fancy they have this LED turn signal on the side.
Yep.
And you know what I noticed? These functional air vents on the side. What do you think about this? This is really very nice.
Yeah, they're nice. I mean, I like it. They match the color. You know, again, on the Rubicon over here, you've got the different tone. I kind of like the different tone. This all looks like one color.
Yeah, and one other thing is the screws. How you can see them. I like how they just show. It's so nice. Yeah, the door hinges.
It's real tough looking.
Yes, it is. And look at these nice door hinges that it has. It has keyless entrance on the side. You also say you don't, you know, your keyless entrance is not charged or the battery dies. You can use your key to open it, so you can get in it anyways.
That's nice. All right, let's put this on the stand and we'll look at the back.
Yeah.
All right, we're to the back of the Jeep Gladiator. I mean, this thing's tough looking. I like, you know, this is plastic here, kind of matches the running boards on the side.
Yeah, and the LED, it continues with LED lights in the back right here. That's very nice. What you think about these tow hooks?
Yeah, the tow hooks look tough, just like the normal Jeeps do. You know, I mean, they're functional. They're going to tow you. They're going to tow your buddy out of the mud or out of a stream or whatever.
Yes, and these LED lights to light up the plate.
Yeah, this is nice. You've got the the outlet here, hookups for any trailers. This has the tow package. You can easily tow your 4x4s, your dirt bikes, the boats, anything like that, all your toys.
I also like how they did the Jeep logo, and they did it like a matte black, which looks very nice. And the rear view camera, so if you can't, you're not a good one of those backing up like me. I'm not so great. So I like having a rear view camera. So this would be awesome for me.
Let me grab the camera and you can show us the tire underneath.
Yeah. So we were just saying, I like the black matte logo.
Yeah, you like that, and it is nice. That's nice. But again, I'm kind of comparing it to the Rubicon because it's right next to us here. Look how the Rubicon has the trim. I like that. I really like that red trim that outlines the Jeep logo on that. Which one do you like better?
I'll stick to this. I like the black color. I like the
all
old blacked out. Huh? But like I said, this one has a full spare tires down here. So if one of your tires goes flat, you get a full spare,
I'm
which
old.
is
I gotta
very
get on my
nice.
knees here so we can get the camera under there. How do they crank it down?
To crank it down is right here. So they make it simple. It's not that hard, But this Jeep has so many options. Like, it has rear sensors, so you're backing up into your trailer just to hook it up. It tells you about how far you are from it.
All right, Elny, why don't you jump in the back and let's check out the inside of the bed.
Look how I hop up here.
Yeah, let's see if you can make it. You better be able to.
Anyways, I like this black spray-in bed liner in the rear of this Jeep. It looks so nice. But, we got nice LED lights right here. So if you're in the night, you can see, these bad boys come on. And you can just say, whatever you got back here, throw a deer in the back and all that. Hey, you can take these bad boys out for hunting. Yeah. But look at these hooks. We were talking about the deer. You can tie the deer back here. I don't know if any of you do any hunting, but around here in the northern.
I would like to see you hunt a deer, Elny.
I never have, but I know a lot of people that do. Anyway,
check out in the back here. They've got, it looks like the grill. So you've got the 7-panel grill Jeep logo. It just looks like a grill right there from the back.
That's pretty cool. I just noticed that you just pointed that out. I didn't even know that was there. That's very nice.
And what's this cover for?
This cover is right here. Say your backup camera goes out or anything, they make it easy for you to, get to it and do whatever you got to do, some work on it. But yeah, that's overall, it's very nice back here.
Hey, I love, the reason we picked this one is because I love the interior. It's a Carmel stitch, so you've got to see the inside of this thing right now.
Yeah, I think that's my favorite part, the interior.
Now let's go look it out.
All right.
All right, Elny, I'm going to jump in the driver's side. Why don't you run to the passenger side?
Let's do that.
Check this out. I absolutely love the Carmel stitching in this thing. Let me hand you the camera, Elny, so you can flip it around.
All right.
All right, so this leather finish is awesome. Again, I'm going to say it again, but this Carmel stitching is really what makes this Jeep pretty cool and unique to me. You've got the chrome door handles here. That's normal. You've got your mirror adjustments here on the side. They've got the nets on both doors. That's nice. Just throw your trash in there, my bottle caps and stuff. And then check it out. Look at the stitching. Yeah.
What do you think when you sit in it? That leather is so soft, isn't it? Like soft. It's
I
very
might have
nice.
to roll away with one of these things.
Hey,
my wife would be thrilled.
I bet she would.
So you've got the handle here. Help pull yourself up. You got the classic Jeep, circles there that they all have on the speedometers and the miles per hour.
But look at that steering wheel. What you think of this? It's very fancy. It has.
Yeah, an awesome chrome Jeep logo in the middle. You've got your cruise controls here on the left and right. You got your voice commands, your phone. You got the chrome here. This is a great leather wrapped steering wheel. It's super nice.
And this one is a 4x4.
This is a 4x4.
So right here,
yep,
we have the shift knob to change the gears.
Yep, right here with the stitching going down the side. You've got your 12-volt DC power. You've got your air conditioner vents. Right here, you've got your USB charging station. This is an 8.4 screen, 8.4-inch screen here. You can't probably, see it, but there's a texture to it. It continues with the Carmel stitching all the way across, right through the middle. Along the top of the dashboard here, you've got your speakers here on the top. Beautiful, normal visor. You got a mirror here, flipped up. Also your garage door openers. You can have 1, 2, or 3 garage door openers. This is a 3-section roof, so they call this the Freedom Roof. So there's one panel here that comes off, another panel here that comes off if you just want to take off the front.
And then we got the other one in the rear, which is very nice
full
also.
Panel all the way across.
I like that a lot. But one thing that I just noticed, this thing has heated steering wheel. So that's even better.
We're here in northern Indiana, so you definitely want a heated steering wheel up front here. You got the heated seats. Yeah, this thing's beautiful. Why don't I grab the camera and you can do the passenger side?
Yeah.
All right.
Alrighty, and in this side, we forgot to show you guys, but we have these nice cup holders. They're a little small, but good enough for 2 drinks in here.
They'll hold my McDonald's cup.
Oh, yeah. But look at this. It has some storage down here. I don't know what you can put there. Maybe some coins or something like that, but that's very nice.
Yeah, it's not too deep. It doesn't go in maybe an inch and a half or
You know, it has a little bit more compartment right here. You can do the same thing to go some more coins in there.
Yeah.
And here, that compartment in the center is very deep in there, so it's very nice. You can fit a couple stuff. It has another score in there. And also, if you open this one right here, it has another little knob to open. It's another little compartment. I like the little touch that they did. I'm not exactly sure what they call it.
To me, it looks like a camouflage. It's a rubber grip, so this pulls out so you can clean it.
Yeah.
There's a camouflage pattern on the top of that. So
yeah,
cool.
I like how they did that. If you go to this side, the glove box, it's kind of practical. It's not too big, you know.
Too big.
You can't fit a whole lot there, but it's not bad at all. You got another handle right here if you're going off-roading. This handle is very nice for you to hold on, you know, for those that are scared of height. Keith, I thought you might be a little scared.
While you're driving, I'll always be holding on to that.
Yep, and you know, we
the
got
net on the other side.
We got the same side nets here, you know.
Let's check out the back real quick.
All right, let's do it. Alrighty, getting to the rear. This rear is very nice. The stitching, I can't get over how nice this stitching looks. These seats flip.
Yeah, why don't you go ahead and flip them down, see how much room, storage.
So yeah, you got more storage back here. You got storage on this side, you got storage on that side.
I'm gonna, while holding the camera here, I'm gonna try to flip down this side too,
Yep, so there's 2 compartments. There's a net on this side, and there's an actual compartment on this side for you to put anything you want, you know.
Yeah, so I mean, if you're going camping, you're hunting, you want to put your hunting gear, your camping gear, just, you don't need anybody sitting back here. You just throw your storage back there.
You can do that. And, you know, they have these nice weather mats that are also, they're Mopar.
Yeah, these are actually Mopar.
But you know what I just noticed what they do on these weather tag Mopar carpet? Look at that. They put a little axe and a shovel right there. I like that. That's unique. I just
noticed that too.
And they do the Jeep in the center right here. That is very nice. They have 2 cup holders right here for the rear passengers. This is to, you know, roll down your windows and up right here. 2 air vents, you know.
Yep. 2 USB ports. You got your 115 volt outlet, which, you know, once on my car, actually, the USB ports don't work anymore, so I actually have to plug my charger in there. Yeah,
and these LED lights are so nice and bright. I like them a lot. You know, you got 2 speakers over your head right here.
Yeah.
And, you know, for the nice sound quality.
Especially when you have your top off. You know, that's really nice.
So this is very nice. It just comes down right there, the sound.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's very nice.
All right. So, Elny, that is really about it on the 2022 Jeep Gladiator.
You know, like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.